How to delete friend request on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnal, and today I'll guide on how you can delete the friend request on Facebook. Well, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is you can open up your Facebook account and then tap on the friend request option there, that you can see the friend request icon there. However, if you don't find it, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner and then tap on friends option under all circuits, and you'll be able to see all the friend requests, and here you'll be able to delete the friend request that you have received that you don't want to accept. Now, however, if you want to delete the request that you have sent on Facebook to others, you want to tap on see all option there and then tap on three dots option at the top right corner and then tap on view sent request, and you'll be able to see your view sent request and you can cancel it from there. So this way you can delete friend requests on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.